I'm loving the way my tomatoes are looking. They're looking really good and lots of blooms. It's just really thrilling to have so many blooms. Words cannot express how appreciative I am. That's a sunflower coming up. Oh, and look, I have some tomatoes coming on. I don't know what kind they are, but they're not Tiny Tim's. Nope, not. Here's a pan around my garden just to show you everything I have. Everything is looking good. Everything. I'm very thankful for my little garden. All my fruits and vegetables and flowers. Here's my lettuce that I planted. And, every time I go to say the name of that, it goes away. Petunias also. Oh, and here's my secret seed and some catmint. So I'm just sitting here on my porch before it gets too warm. It's supposed to get in the low 90s today. Listening to the water in the fountain. A little bit ago there was a beautiful butterfly that flitted past. You can see a little bit of wind out there with the windmill. I don't know if that's called a windmill, whatever it's called. It's going around slowly right now. My roses. Honeysuckle. Ooh, it's such a pretty orange. Honeysuckle. Oh, my hand in the way. Yes, I'm thankful for my little garden. Won't be long till I will be harvesting tomatoes, other than the Tiny Tims that I've been harvesting all winter indoors, and then the same plant out here giving me more. And my herbs, of course, I've been able to harvest on them. So yes, I'm very thankful. Oh, and there's my lemon. Let's see if I can point my finger in the correct direction. My sense of direction when I'm trying to record is off. Because what seems like it should be, I think it's reversed or something. Anyway, I'm trying to show you my lemon tree. Still sitting on my messy table, on my messy porch. And yes, I will get it cleaned up one of these days. Sitting here being thankful. My little garden. I'm one lucky girl to be able to do that. Maybe by next summer my legs will be all healed up. See, I'm still all wrapped up. They're getting there though. As soon as I don't have open wounds, I'll be able to get rid of all those bandages that we have to change every day. And they're getting smaller. And your prayers are helping. And I so appreciate every one of you. More than words can tell. So, until my next video. May God's love surround you. I'll see you on my next video.